Insert a chart for table. We already have summarized information of our detailed sale here with through pivot table. So let's first change the heading. Product name, total units sold in year, and then select any of the cell and go to insert recommended charts. You have many options, whatever you want to use type of chart you can use, but we will use the simple bar chart. Just double click. You can change the size of chart as well. Now click off any of the bar and just add the label, so it will show us the value of total sold. So this is how you can insert the chart in Excel.